next law enforcement equipment that I would like to show you is the so-called RCA, the riot control agent. Again, we have different models used in different departments.
Die im behördlichen und Sicherheitsbereich eingesetzt sind.
This one here is a small one, made from mostly plastic, and the quality in my eyes is not the best to handle it, especially with gloves, for example. Here we have the follow-up model. It's a little bigger, and here you can see the blue cartouche. I will show you in a second how you can replace the cartouche. The next one here is my favorite, because it sits well in the hand, and you can easily see that this is the training cartouche, for its color is not red. This would be the red cartouche, and here we have an empty casing. If you want to replace a cartouche, you have to pull out this lever with the fingers, and here on the bottom you see a hole. You push out the cartouche out to the top. Here on the bottom you can find a screw. If you loosen it up, you can take the bottom part off and put this clip on the other side of the casing for left-handed person, or just, if you prefer it, on the other side. For me, the RCA is a clean and safe tool to use it from a distance. Using the bat, I can cause serious injuries, but with the RCA you might cause a maximum of 2 hours of eye burning. Normally, the effect decreases after 45 minutes already. The substance here, the active ingredient, capsaicin, is 100% natural. It is oil made from a chili pepper plant and loaded onto all of these cartouches. You spray it onto the skin and into the face, and it immediately causes eye burning, skin irritation and bronchial constriction.
Hautreizung, die Bronchial im Hals, die Bronchien setzen sich zu.
Especially the last symptom may cause a state of panic and anxiety as a consequence. It is our duty to give first aid right after using it. In this case, first aid means eye spray or clear water. Please do not use any kind of eye ointment.
Bitte keine Salbe oder irgendwas benutzen, sondern wirklich klares Wasser oder reicht dementsprechend Augenspray, was direkt dafür gemacht ist.
Here I have two different kinds of eye sprays. This one is very good for its easy usable spray bottle, so you can directly apply the content into the eyes and rinse them. It is important to handcuff the opponent after overcoming him, before giving first aid, otherwise he might flee again. I would like to come back to the RCA in general one more time. Like I said, it is an easy and clean tool to keep a distance. It is very precise and works in a 5 meters range. I have a good impact on my enemy from a safe distance, even he comes with a knife. But cave, not everyone reacts in the same way. Some can handle it better than others.